Hi everybody, I'm Nika Lewis, and well, I live in Oman. Okay, enough talking. Well, today I decided to do something different because this is my first time on YouTube. So I decided that today I'm going to sing something for you. Like, I wanted to sing, but today I decided to do one of my favorite songs, which is La Vie en Rose. So yeah, I just got I got no background music. It's just my voice. So I hope you like it. Uh, let's go. Let's start. Okay. Um, hold me close and hold me fast. The magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose. When you kiss me, heaven sighs. And though I close my eyes, I see love and rose. And when you press me to your heart, I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. Yeah, when you speak, angels sing from above, and everyday words seem to turn to love songs. So give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be loving rose. Oh, 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 a world where roses bloom. Yeah, when you speak, angels sing from above, and everyday words seem to turn to love songs. So give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be loving rose. I hope you like it. It's my first time, so I'm really, really nervous. But thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you